so today we're going to be unbagging our February Ipsy bag. It was in the mail when I got home today, so I'm super excited to see what is in this bag this month. Let's go ahead and rip on into it. It looks like the first thing I have here is going to be some facial masks. It says 5-minute facial mask, and it looks like I got 2 of them. So one of them is a primer. They're both primer masks. What do you do? Tea tree oil, they both look the same, and rose hip extract with vitamin C. Very, very nice. They look like they have squishiness in them, so there seems like there's a lot of product in them. You guys know that when it comes to masks, I have a hard time using them. I always forget, and I'm trying to get better at that. So I'm excited to try those out. Let's see what those look like on the face, or how they work, if they nourish, and all that kind of stuff. I have been getting a lot of breakouts lately, so anything with tea tree, and I think it said tea tree in it. Yes, anything with tea tree in it is my friend lately. So, all right, here's what the bag looks like for February. It's super sexy and kind of like Valentine-y-ish. So let's go ahead and pop right into the bag here. This month's bag is called Unzipped. So that's that. Ipsy never really puts any information on the cards that they give you. And if you're not aware of what Ipsy is, it's a $10 a month subscription that you get 5 different products to try out for the month for $10 a month. And every month you get something new. So that's kind of cool. All right, let's pull out the first thing in here. And it looks like it is from Pacifica Beach Crystal Natural Mineral Eyeshadows. All right, so this looks like a little tiny eyeshadow palette. I'm always excited to get eyeshadows. I love eyeshadows, you guys know that. Okay, so here we go. Let's see, this is what it looks like. Oh, this is cute. So it has like purples and golds and browns in it. So that's really cute. As you guys know, I've been doing monthly giveaways, so this is going to go right into one of those giveaways. It's not going to be like the main giveaway, but it'll be like a secondary giveaway that goes in there. So that's really cute. I hope you guys will enjoy to be getting that. Second thing we get here, oh, it's a Luxie brush. It's a dual-ended brush, it looks like. Let's see here. So it looks like you get a shader brush on one side, and then you get a flat, almost like packer brush on the other. So that's nice. Again, another thing that will be going in one of the giveaways. I have a lot of brushes, and lately I've been ordering a lot off of Ulta. I've been ordering a lot of Morphe brushes, so I'm super excited to have those. I don't need another dual-ended brush, so this will be going into the giveaway as well for February or March, April, whenever I find it fits. So let's see what's next here. Oh, it's a Trussis. I don't know how to say that. It looks like an eyeliner. Let's see, that's exactly what it is. It's a brown eyeliner. I've actually been liking brown eyeliners a lot more lately, so I may actually keep this. I've kind of switched from black to brown, so you can't really tell the difference in my eye right now, but that's what I have on the top, is a brown Wet n Wild liquid liner. So I really want to get the one from Kat Von D, the brown Kat Von D liner. So this I may actually keep, because I may want to use this for like the waterline and stuff like that. But we'll see. This may actually land up in one of the giveaways. And the last thing we have here is going to be from Pure Cosmetics. And it's a fully charged mascara powered by magnet technology. So it's a mascara. So another thing that if you guys want me to do like a demo on this, just let me know. I love doing mascara demos. I have a full thing of mascaras that I still want to do demos on that I haven't had time to do. So that will be interesting to see if that lands up in a video or if it lands up in a giveaway. So that was everything I got this month in my Ipsy. I'm always excited to get Ipsy. Again, like I said, it's a $10 a month subscription. You get a cute little bag, and you get 5 products to try out for the month. I always leave all the information down below for Ipsy if you're interested in purchasing an Ipsy monthly subscription. That is going to be I get points or something if you order off of my link. Otherwise, you can always just go right onto the Ipsy website and order off however you want to, and don't worry about giving me any points. I don't mind either way. But I do like Ipsy. This is a great bag. Like I said, I've been doing giveaways every month, so these products may or may not land up in them. This is why I probably won't be opening any of the products that I will be getting for the next couple of months, because I don't want to touch them if I'm going to be giving them away if I decide not to keep them in the long run. So I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month. I'll definitely be checking out everybody's channels. I love seeing what people get in their Ipsys, and I shall talk to you guys sometime next week. Bye!